The next topic is computation of length of the line between points of different elevation, that is ground coordinates. So here, before going to that, I'll tell you one diagram. This thing we have observed, right? This is a plane from where the object is being focused, that is exposure station, and this is a plane of photography that is having the points, that is A as well as B, and this is a point on ground coordinates, that is capital A and capital B. So for this, let us consider some of the coordinates. It is nothing but for the straight line, how we are going to consider the coordinates, that is x comma y, as well as for example xa comma ya, here xb comma yb. In the similar way, we are considering the coordinates for here the photograph as well as plane of the photograph, as well as here we are going to consider the coordinates for the points A as well as B. Okay, so for example, here we are considering XAYA, here XBYB. In the similar way, here capital XY, capital YA, and here capital XB and capital YB. That is what here explained. You can see here, let A and B be the points on photograph, that is these points, where XA, YA and XB, YB are the corresponding coordinates. That is, for this point, these two are the coordinates. Then the next one, let A and B be the points on the ground, that is capital A and capital B, where capital XA, YA, capital XB, capital YB are the corresponding coordinates. So here we can write from these four coordinates small xa by capital XA, YA by, that is photo distance by ground distance. That is what we have written here. Okay, so that is XA by capital XA, small YA by capital YA, small xb by capital XB, small yb by capital YB. The entire thing, instead of taking the single portion equating to the s, here what we have done is entirely we have written, that is for photo distance by ground distance. Instead of writing separately, that is xa by capital XA is equal to s, what we have done is we have written all the four coordinates and finally we have equated it to the s. And we have known from this definition, that is scale definition, we have derived the formula, right, for the previous one, which is having the different ground terrain conditions, that is different terrain. So we have derived the formula that S is equal to h minus small h. So since this portion that is equal to the s, we can finally equate this value also, that is f minus h minus h. So here, when you see here, so we can now what we will do is we will singly take this variable and we are equating with this equation, so that finally you can find out the what is the value of capital XA, capital XB, capital YA and capital YB. So in the similar way, for all the four things we are doing, first let us take only this one, that is XA by capital XA, that is what I have taken here. This is directly equated with this portion, that is F divided by H minus H. Okay, this is a general formula that we have written at the last of the derivation. This I have equated. Okay, when it is there, when we want XA, let us take this at the topper side. So finally what happens, the expression of XA will become small xa, this portion it will come upper side. So XA into H minus HA divided by F, this is one equation we have got for capital XA. In the similar way, consider one term, equate it to F, this portion, and write out the formula for XB, YA, YB. Finally, as per the geometry, we can write that the length L between 2 points on the ground, that can be written as, it is nothing but, if we consider any straight line which is having some two coordinates, let us consider 1, 2 and 3, 4. Okay, so this geometry, as per the geometry of the mathematics, you can check that the distance formula or the length formula for the line having two coordinates, it is nothing but a minus b the whole square plus a minus, that is another term, capital A, capital B, small a, small b. In general, you can write this as xa minus xb the whole square plus ya minus yb the whole square. Okay, this general formula I will send you with this, with the pic also, that you can check. This is a general formula as per the geometry, and this is very important for the problem also. You just need to remember the value of L here. Okay, that is formula.